everyone, get this shape from white craft paper, fold it, make a cone. Now we are going to put all these ginkgo leaves inside it using hot glue gun, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Paste some bow and flowers and look, it's done. Let's use this empty jar. We are going to make 2 cuts. Remove all of them. We are making the wheels using bottle cap. Paste all of them together using hot glue gun and tape. Paste googly eyes, draw smiley face, and look, your craft is ready. Let's make a teddy bear using sponge. So we are going to tie a knot using rubber band. Here we are going to make the ears and legs of the teddy bear. Tie it using rubber band. Paste googly eyes, draw its face, and look, your teddy bears are ready. Let's make some food art. Take a large fruit. You can take an orange. In place of this, remove the fruit, make a hole, and we are going to make the eyes as well. Its nose, its ears. We are also going to put the legs, and look, your food art is ready. Let's make this hippopotamus face. So cut the shape from cardboard and paste its googly eyes, its ears on the top of it using double-sided tape. After this, we are going to make the teeth of the hippopotamus using pistachio cells. So paste all of them, and look, it is ready. We are going to make this mini double bed. So first we are going to combine all the sticks together and make 2 such ladders. Now put all the sheets on the top of it. Now add more details, and look, it is ready. We are going to make this tricycle. So first cut these shapes from the bamboo sticks. We also need these 4 bottle cap for the tire of the tricycle. So combine all of them together using hot glue gun. Make the seat as well, and look, your tricycle is ready. Let's make these mini buckets. First, paste all the sticks around this bottle cap using double-sided tape. Now we are going to attach it using hot glue gun. Make 2 such buckets, and look, it's ready. Let's make flower using straw. So cut this straw. Now paste double-sided tape on it. Cut it. Now make multiple cut on it using scissors. After this, take an earbud and roll the straw around it like this, and look, your flower is ready. Make more such colorful flowers. Take this paper cup and fill it with pebbles and clay. Now take this grape stem and dab it inside this paper cup. Now make clay balls and dab all of them, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.